What's up, guys? Today, now the weather is not good today. He's in India, in Chandigarh. So today, hey guys, look, it's a rain outside. It's raining everywhere. See, it's rain. The rain is everywhere. Guys, look, the clouds are gray sky. Guys, it's raining and the rain is dropping on me. The rain is dropping on me. Right in the camera. What's up, guys? And guys, it's rain. It's such a rainy day today. That's a dog right there. He's sleeping under the car. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna get like, guys, like I did make this video on Friday, June 25th. On Friday, June 25th, about the like me sitting in the rain and looking outside. I made the video, and this is my second rain video in India. So no weather, not good. It's raining very hardly. It's raining. But the weather is nice though. But it only rains like sometimes. And look for the plants, to grow plants. Oh my goodness. And it's getting wet. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to see if I can get 100,000 subscribers, 100,000 likes, please. But guys, I heard a little drop, but if a little rain stop is coming. I think the rain's gonna stop now. Alright, guys, be careful to go outside, slippery. Bye, guys. I hope you have a great day. Well, guys, the rain just stopped right now. So, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to the notification bell. Bye.